Hi guys, so today we need to dig up this old concrete driveway and then we need to dig down and get ourselves below damp course level so we can lay down our type 1. Then we'll be nice and level, ready for scaffolding, so we can get the steels in and start work on the dormer. Enjoy!
We're down to the right level here, Nick. Up until, see that bag of ballast and where the camera is. We're down to the right level, so, and round the corner to the right level as well, so, yeah. All go here, Nick. Getting up the driveway. Skip's gone. Travis just delivering all the type 1. All good. That's pretty much the height we want under that drive that's just been pulled up, Nick. So that's the whole height of the front drive. So it's all good. We've got this drive up in about 20 minutes. Luckily the skip's turned up, Travis is turned up, as you can see. Yeah, all good. Nice and level, so that's pretty much ready to gravel. You know, all this is all level, ready to gravel and all that. Good way to get the vehicles off the road now.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to follow us through this project, hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.